we will explore understanding government structure. There are two major types of government system: the presidential system and the parliamentary system. Each system has its own characteristic, advantages, and disadvantages, which influence how countries govern and make decisions. Uh, let's dive into what makes the system unique and how they how they shape the political landscape. What a presidential system? A presidential system is a form of government where the president serves as both the head of state and head of government. The the president is separately from the legislature and hold a fixed form. Mean they are not dependent on the parliament for their position. Character, Characteristic of the presidential system: one, a clear separation of power exercised between the legislative, executive, and judicial branch. Two, the president serves as both head of state and head of government. Three, the presidents and parliament are directly elected by the people, ensure accountability to the public. Four, the president and parliament can dissolve each other, as a president is not appointed by parliament. Advantage of the presidential system: one, the president has a fixed term profit government stability. Two, people can easily identify who is responsible for government policies. Three, the president is directly elected by the people, making the system more democratic. Four, the president can select minister based on their expertise, not limit to parliament member. Five, there are clear boundaries between the executive, legislative, and judicial branch. Disadvantages of the presidential system are one, the executive is outside the direct supervision of the legislature, which might lead to absolute power. Two, the accountability of the executive is less clear compared to a parliamentary system. Decision making often requires negotiation between the executive and legislature. Four, public oversight of the government can be challenging. Five, government policy might be influenced by political party interests. What is parliamentary system? A parliamentary system is a form of government where the head of government, usually the prime minister, is elected by and is directly accountable to parliament. The head of state is often a spare figure such as a monarch or ceremonial president, while the prime minister leads the executive branch. Characteristic of the parliamentary system is the head of government is elected by parliament. Two, the political party that wins the election hold dominant power. Three, ministers are chosen from among parliament members. Four, the president is the head of state and the prime minister is the head of government. Five, the cabinet is accountable to parliament and can be overthrown by a vote of no confidence. Advance of the parliamentary system: there is a clear structure of for responsibility in policy making. Two, parliament has direct oversight of the cabinet. Three, politics can be made quickly as the executive and legislative often come from the same party. Four, the system allows for great representation of different groups in society. Advantages of the parliamentary system: one, the cabinet can be dissolved by Parliament at any time. 2. The continuity of government depends heavily, heavily on party support in Parliament. 3. Frequent conflict can arise between the executive and legislature. 4. Executive positions are often filled by politicians filed by politicians who already hold power in Parliament. In the summary, the presidential system offers stability and a clear separation of power, while the parliamentary system excels in oversight and efficiency in decision making. The choice between this system depends on a country political, historical, and cultural condition. If each system has its own strength and challenge, and understanding them help us appreciate the variety of government around the world. Thank you for watching.